What's happening, Kyle? Refrigerator, sink, electric range with a hood. Microwave, toaster. Dito ko na kagad. The entrance door, cabinet. There's some washer, and then the toilet, bathroom, and shower. And the shower area. Sink. And a tour. A new tour of a condominium. There's the saucepan. And then when you go out, there's that's a dishwasher. And there's like chandelier style. There's the dining room, living room, and table. There's air conditioning.
You're gonna get what, 514 pesos.
And
You have to work for 6 days.
a view to the basketball court.
6 days and then you can buy it.
You open it. You open this one.
I'm willing to work for
Ito mag-alarm.
Of course.
that much.
But you're not gonna get additional Pokemon.
Okay, I'm trying to see if I can open it. But it's child lock, I think. I'm a child, I cannot open.
Mama will buy the
So there's a
expansion
balcony.
packs, pero you can't play.
Basketball court outside.
You don't want to work?
You just wipe the table with the
You're gonna wipe
Phone and Wi-Fi.
wash the dishes.
Study table.
The soap dispensers have
This is
soap.
the view towards the door. And there's one bedroom. There's the bedroom. But first, there's the closet space. Closet space. And then you can go to the bedroom. Hello, Kyle. And then there's another balcony. I tried to open it there, but it won't open. So, since this is a nighttime view, we'll try later if we can. And there's window air conditioning, and there's bedroom and closet. We got a closet and the table. So when you go out the bedroom door, you see the dining table, living area, and then kitchen right away in the bathroom. Hello! Here's the view of the refrigerator and a Star Wars Lego on top of the refrigerator. And this is the dishwasher, as I mentioned earlier. And in this kitchen, there's cabinets on top. So they have cabinetry, the whole countertop there with storage cabinets, and then Under the counter, there's also other storage cabinets. And that's a condominium here in the Grove. This is the Grove condominium, 1 bedroom. Okay, I'm outside at the balcony now, and you can see the basketball court, and at the other end, if you can see, that's the tennis court. And then on the first floor, I don't know if it's clear, but that's the pool, swimming pool area. And there's the other view of the tower. Another tower there. Nighttime view of the city. I think this is looking at Pasig, if I'm not mistaken. And there's a cabana down there. So it's a nice view for the condominium. You can even relax down there if you're allowed. I don't know what's the time what's the time for the pool to close. So I don't see any lights. I don't see anybody down there. Okay, I'm out here on the other balcony that's adjacent to the living area. And the same, I don't know if it's clear. There's the pool is over there. And this is Pasig area, right? This is Pasig. That's a better view of the tennis courts there. And then of course the basketball court is just close by. And this is the thing with the for window cleaning. I think it's the catwalk. And another view of Pasig. Another tower, the Grove Tower. Okay, we're gonna show you something cool from the bed. Space saver.
I'll show you something. I have a secret passageway.
Secret Batman.
Move out of the bed. Touch me.
You can open this one.
Yeah.
Look,
Ready?
magic. Wow. It's a storage area.
Kalats.
You can store stuff here, even your snacks,
Sa
computer.
Furniture Republic. Sa ano?
So this bed is full lifty bed. So what's this called? Lifty bed?
Sa
Space saver bed?
it's a switch.
A storage bed? A switch bed? So you just pull it up and you can store a lot of stuff. And then you just push it back down
Okay.
to close it.
Your hands, careful. You might get bit. Okay.
Very good. Thank you very much. And then it becomes a regular bed.